Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys know that when you ask me for something, I do it for you, and this was a highly requested video, dual forms with the Kiss nail kit. So I went to Walmart and I found the small Kiss nail kit because the bigger ones were sold out. Like literally everything of Kiss was gone. There was like nothing there. But other than that, I also found these dip powders that actually go to the dip acrylic that I will be having a video on. I'm hoping tomorrow, because Thursday, you know, it's Press on Thursday, so we ain't trying to hear that. You feel me? But I found these and I was like, you know what? Wouldn't it be cool to do dual forms with the colored acrylic, being that the other one is just clear? So that's what I did. I actually, instead of using the dip products, I used the monomer from the Kiss acrylic, as you guys can see. So this is everything that comes in the kit. These are the two colors that I chose. They had a whole bunch of colors, but these are the two colors that stood out to me. And you can also get them and mix them up if you would like to see a video on that, me mixing up colors to make different colors. Let me know down below, because I will go and purchase the whole Kiss dip line just to make colored acrylic and show you guys that you can do it in this way. You don't need a drill. You don't need fancy stuff. It literally took me 5 minutes to do one hand. So yeah, right here I'm just applying the acrylic. You would prep your nails. I didn't prep mine because the videos are too close together that I actually have to take them off and then put on new nails tomorrow to do another video for you guys, because that is my uploading schedule and I wanted to show you guys a couple of other things to do. And yeah, normally I already know that these last a good while, so that's why I'm not worried about like the longevity of them. Longevity? Is that what it's called? How long they last. Why do I feel like that's not making sense? But they do last a long time, so that is why I am not keeping them on for a long time, if that makes sense, if I said it right. But yeah, this is all that I did. And then for the other nails, I did encapsulate them with clear acrylic. I didn't do it for the pinky because I don't know, just normally I don't do it for the pinky, but other than that, I did do it for every other nail. So as you guys may know, I did not use a drill. I didn't use nothing. I used what was in this kit, and I also used the two colors, and I used dual forms. Now, a lot of you guys are going to ask me, do I reuse the dual forms that I used already? Yes, I did. And as you guys can see in this video, I did not dump out the whole package because I did just keep my sizes out just so that way I don't have to go through that. So yes, you can reuse these over and over again. Definitely a lifesaver, and it saves money. You can do it in under 10 minutes, both hands. And I just like dual forms. I like my nails a lot longer, but if I'm going out and I need just something really quick, I do love this. And they last over 2 weeks, sometimes even longer, just depending if you prep your nails right. So definitely check out dual forms, and definitely check out the Kiss nail kit because it works. Like legit, if you keep practicing and you do it right, it definitely works. So everything in this video was literally under $20. I paid for the nail kit, these two colors, about $20. The dual forms on Amazon, they're about $6. I did use regular top coat, which is the Seche Vite. It is about $6 also on Amazon. You can also go to Sally's if you want it right then and there. And yeah, so it's super affordable, and these products do last you a long time. And not only that, you could do multiple sets, because with dual forms you can constantly use them. It's not like nail tips, you have to like throw them away, and not throw them away, but you have to like after you use them all up, you have to go buy more. Nope, this is literally, you can use them over and over again if you're using them on yourself. Now, if you are using them on other people, then I would suggest buying, of course it comes in like a pack, but I would suggest not reusing the ones that you use on yourself. Definitely use different ones if you're doing clients or just like a family member, you know, just for sanitary purposes. But other than that, if you're using them on yourself, you can definitely use them over and over again. So that's kind of like a plus. And yeah, so everything that I used in this video will be linked down below. I will try to link all the colors that I used and the Kiss Nail Kit down below, but if I don't, you could definitely find them at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Target, Rite Aid, places like that. So yeah, and I don't think I have anything else to say. I didn't file, I didn't use the drill, I didn't use anything like that. A lot of you guys were asking if this acrylic is flush to the nail. Yes, it is. That is one thing that I like. I don't like when the acrylic is bulky by the cuticle, but this is definitely flush when you use nail forms. I mean, not nail forms, dual forms. And not only that, I kind of want to try a dupe, so keep an eye out on that video of nail dual forms, so definitely stay tuned for that. But I don't think I have anything else to say. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, leave me some stuff that you would like for me to try. And not only that, follow me on Instagram, because I am doing a giveaway on Instagram, and also follow my Facebook page because I am doing a giveaway on there. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless.